Platinum this week has rise in value, and we can see that the price has gone above 962 on the daily time frame, and then the price returned back down, confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one, and then continue to rise in value on a Tuesday. And on a Friday the price has reached 992, the next resistance level, a supply zone, and the price reached 1007.68, where on the Friday the price has retraced back down. So this how this looks. The price has stopped just in between this resistance level and this support level. On the weekly time frame, we can see this is a bullish breakout that has been formed on the chart, and the second bullish breakout that has been formed on the chart. On the monthly time frame, this is a bullish candle. This was expected also. If you have watched the previous week analysis, after the price has formed this bearish breakout, then it was invalidated with this bullish candle going above. This was just in a rise in value, and the price moving in the opposite direction, which means going up. And this is what has happened on the market. This was expected. So the price is currently in between these price levels, 1033, and below that is 891 support level. So the price is bouncing for several months. We have 2 more weeks until this month ends, so we'll see how this behaves. Will the price try to make a breakout on the upside, or the price will return back down? This is something that we need to see on the lower side, lower time frames, and that is weekly and especially daily time frame. So this is a bullish breakout that needs to be confirmed next week. If the next candle next week goes back below, this would suggest further decline down, reaching the next support level 937. And this is something that we need to watch. If the price stops here at 962, confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one, this will indicate further decline, further rise in value, and that means this is the area around this area, and also the second one is around this one here. And this is something that we need to watch on the daily time frame. It is much more clearly visible. Let's zoom out a little bit just to see much more clearly how the price behaves. I am expecting next week that the price will decline down, reaching an area around 962, and then we'll see what happens. Will the support hold, or the price will drop down even more to the greatest support where we can see in the past this was a great resistance, preventing the price from rising in value. So this time this is also a support level that needs to hold, but I'm expecting first the price to reach here, and then we'll see what happens. Based on what we can see on the market, based on the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, and also currently what I can see on the daily time frame, there is a high possibility that the price will reach this area and then continue to rise in value. But this is something that we need to watch on the daily basis. So if there is a breakout on the daily time frame going below 962, this will be shared inside the Telegram group with the traders on the daily basis. But also if the price returns back up going above 992.55, this will also indicate further rise in value, where the next target will be around 1.33 or something in between. And this is something that we will watch on the daily basis. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.